Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this real-time scenario video, we'll see how to handle duplicate column error in PySpark. Okay, so during the joining time or any kind of PySpark or joining operation, if we have the same column name in the different data frame or data set, then during the joining time we can join, but when we will go for a save or we will store it as a delta file, that time we are getting this error that I will show you when I will do the hands-on. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to my notebook here. So come to my notebook. So I have created two data frame. You can see one is player data frame. Okay, player name here, player ID, name and department ID. It is given. Okay, and one another data frame. I have created the department thing. Okay, the department ID and department name. Okay, just for example, I have created it. Okay, so now what I will do, I will merge this two data frame. Not merge. I will join this two data frame first. Okay, so for joining, what we will do, will use the join. Okay, yeah, what any kind of join you can use. Okay, whatever it is required. So how to do the joining and all I have already explained in my videos. Okay, you can go and watch it in my channel. This is the Cognitive Coders YouTube channel. This is our channel. Yeah, 73 videos I have uploaded, the basic videos, interview series, and the real-time use cases, real-time scenarios. All the videos are there. The joining also I have uploaded PySpark and databricks playlist also, which is given in this video description box. You can go and check it. Okay, so I will not explain much more about this. I'm directly going to the use case. Okay, so now if I want to join these two data frames, so I'm joining the df1 with df2 using the department ID column. Okay, it will be the inner join process. Okay, so I'm storing the joining data frame in df, the new data frame variable. So now I'll show it. So now the data is coming like this. So I have the data, this Virat, Rohit, Shami, Bumrah, and the department is batting and bowling department. Here the department ID is given, and when I'm joining this, now I'm getting the data set like this. Okay, so now if I want to store this data set in a delta table, so at that time what it will do. So now if I'm going to write this data frame in a delta table. Okay, df dot write dot format, it will be delta. Okay, dot save table. Okay, in delta format I am storing this table. Okay, I'm giving the name player details. Okay, so now I've given the name. Okay, if I'll run this command, so it is giving me one error. The column department ID already exists. So department ID. So this is you can create two data frame with the same column ID, but you can't save this in a delta format table. Okay, this is the main issue. So you will get the duplicate column error. It is called the duplicate column error. Okay, the column already exists. Okay, so in this case, what you will do, you can do one thing here. So during the join, you can just mention the column name only one time, dpt id. Okay, then just run it. The joining has completed. Okay, you can see the data. Now I have only one department ID column. Okay, so now if I'll run it once again, So now my Spark job has completed. Okay. So now if I want to check the data, I can also check from the catalog here. You can see in default database it is stored as player details. Okay, the table is stored. Okay, now if I okay, okay, it is going to show me the data. Okay, so as it is stored in Unity catalog, so you can see the schema and sample data. Okay, the history also of this table. You can see the operational parameter, user who have saved a username I have in from my account. In the table has been created, and notebook ID and all everything you can see from here. Okay, okay. So you can also query the same thing from here also, from notebook also. I'm showing you. So if you want to query this from your notebook, so you can do it. SQL select star from player details. You can see it. Now you can see the table. Okay, so the main motto of this scenario is you can't store uh, same column name in a table uh, in a delta format. Okay, so you can't save a table in delta format when you have two same column name. Okay, so you need to or you can also do one thing. You can change the column name, player department id, some kind of department id. Using the alias you can change the column name during the joining time, or you can use this method also. Or using this method only you have one column. Okay, so in that case you can save the table in a delta format. So I think you have understood the concept. This is a very much useful and easy scenario for the real-time data processing. In real-time use cases we used to face this kind of small issues. Okay, so that's why I am showing you here that yeah, in data as a data engineer, what kind of issues you will get. And this is a simple kind of issue, but you need to find the solution. Okay, so this kind of issues I'm continuously trying to come up with the solution with and want to share with you guys. Okay, please stay with us and support us. You guys support is really much required. Please grow and watch these videos also. These all are a free content. You don't need to pay a single penny for this. Okay, and also share with your colleagues, friends, okay, whoever want to learn these things. Okay, so cognitive coders is always trying to, our team is always trying to help you guys to explore the data engineering field. Okay, we are continuously trying how to improve our things and all. How you guys will get much more details about the data engineering path. We are always trying to do that, and our main focus is to learn, is to teach you guys the PySpark and databricks things first. Okay, so that's why we are continuously uploading the multiple scenarios based video, and also the interview series also we are trying to come up with multiple interview series. Okay, please stay with us and support us. Okay, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of doubt, please do comment, or you have any another kind of approach, you can also mention it in the comment section also. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.